Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying for the GMAT. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's three main sections: quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and data insights. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to establish a baseline score. This initial assessment is crucial for understanding your current proficiency and pinpointing areas needing the most attention. Finally, set a clear target score and a study schedule, typically ranging from 2 to 6 months, to guide your preparation effectively. Once you have your baseline, it's time to gather your study resources. Prioritize official GMAT guides and practice questions from the Graduate Management Admission Council. Consider a reputable prep course if you need structured guidance. Develop a detailed study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each GMAT section. Remember to integrate full-length practice tests every few weeks to monitor your progress and build stamina for the actual exam day. Now dive deep into the content. For the quantitative section, review fundamental math concepts like arithmetic, algebra, and statistics. In the verbal section, concentrate on critical reasoning and reading comprehension strategies. Practice is key. Work through hundreds of questions, focusing on understanding the underlying principles. Crucially, analyze every incorrect answer to identify patterns in your errors and refine your approach for future questions. As your test date approaches, shift your focus to comprehensive review. Take several full-length mock exams under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. This helps refine your pacing and endurance. Identify any remaining weak areas and give them a final push. Finally, plan your test day logistics, including travel and what to bring, to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. Aim for a good night's sleep before the exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.